Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at presently you are staying. You know very well, I am Selvalamani Krishnamurthy, your information technology teacher, who is sitting in front of you. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. This is Java Guy video lesson number 10. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to find or how to calculate simple interest. The formula for the simple interest is PNR. Already many of you learned in your small grade itself. So how to find out simple interest by getting principal, rate of interest, and number of the years through Java GUI applications. That is what we are going to study in this lesson. So as usual, I like to open or I like to share my screen, so it will be useful for all. I hope my screen is visible to all. This is our PPT, that is GUI programming in Java, Java GUI video lesson number 10. Here we are going to find out simple interest. This application is called a simple interest calculator. So this is the design view. What are the things in design view? See, our form contains 4 text boxes. Text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, here text box 4. 1 to get principal amount. Second text box is used to get rate of interest. Third text box is used to get number of the year. It may be a time, it may be a number of the years or duration. So this J text field 3 is used to get number of the years. The last one, that is J text field 4, is used to display simple interest. Okay, as usual, we are having two buttons. Button 1, that is simple interest. If we click this button 1, the interest will be displayed here. This is stop button used to close our application. Am I right? See it here. This all 3 text field. Text field 1, text field 2, text field 3. You can type. You can type any numbers. Whereas this text field 4, J text field 4, you cannot type. That is why editable is false. But it will show the result of addition here. Result of program, that is simple interest, will be displayed here. That is why we give editable is false, enable is also false. Okay, let us see first output, then we can go for coding. See it here. While I am giving 2500 as a principal, rate of interest is 10, that is 10%. Time, number of the year is 5, that is principal amount is 2500, rate of interest is 10, number of the years is 5. That means we are deposit some amount, that is 2500 in bank for 5 years. Bank said 10% interest per year. Then at the end of the 5 year, how much amount we will get as interest? This is what our aim. See, if we click simple interest button, that is J button 1 here, we will get this result. That means what? After 5 years, we will get 1250 rupees as interest. This is what our aim. Here see, this J text field 1, J text field 2, J text field 4, not 3, will accept or display values with decimal places. Understand? Text field 1, text field 2, text field 4 either will accept or displays number with decimal places. That is why these 3, 1, 2, 4 are said to be double value or float value. This number of the years will accept only whole number, that you must understand. Okay, Now let us go to the program here. Very simple. J button 2 already we know very well. That J button 2 means this is stop. While clicking stop button, system.exit of 0. That means what? Our application will close. Many times we studied. Here only we are going to do some program. Simple interest. This is J button 1. While clicking J button 1, this coding will be run. Already I said P principal. P stands for principal, rate and S interest. I declare three variable under double. One for principal, another one for rate, third one for interest. Okay, see it here. Principal with the decimal places, rate with the decimal places, simple interest, that is also decimal places. To store with the decimal value, numbers with the decimal value, I declared three variables with double. But this number of the years, that is time, can able to store only whole number. That is why I declared here as in time. So four variable declared: principal, rate, yes interest as double, int as time. We need to find out yes interest by getting value, principal, rate and time. As you should see, now J text field 1 contains some number. Okay, even though we type number, we know very well J text field displays the number as string only. Many times we study. Okay, so whatever value you are getting through get text of J text field 1 is string. So we need to change as a double value. That is why we are using a double dot parse double. So parse double is a one method available under double class. It converts string into double. So J text field 1 dot get text is used to get 2500.00 as a string. That 2500.00 will be converted into 2500 as double. That will be stored into principal. In same way, J text field 2 dot get text. It will convert 10.00 as 10. The 10 will be stored into double. Am I right? In same way, 5 will be converted into integer with the help of parseInt. This parseInt is a one method which is used to convert string into integer. That is available under integer class. That will be stored into time. Now principal as 2500, rate as 10, time as 5. You know very well. Formula for simple interest. Simple interest equal to PNR divided by 100. 2500 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 5 divided by 100. So we will get 1250. The 1250 will be stored into yes interest. At last, what is the what we have to do? The values available in yes interest needs to be displayed in J text field of 4. Am I right? But once again, one problem rise. Set text is used to display string only into J text 4. We are having one number that also double. The double needs to convert into string. Am I right? Now yes interest as 1250. The 1250 needs to be converted into 1250.00 as a string. Okay, this two string converts double into string. Then 1250.0 will be displayed in J text field of 4. Am I right? This is what our scores view. Now I will demonstrate the same program in front of you so that you can easily understand. I open Apache NetBeans, go to File, New Project. You know very well how to open new project. Here I give next. Please deselect this create main class. right? This is compulsory. Then finish. Before that, we can give one name. I want to give Java Guide 10. Java Guide 10 finish. I created one project called Java Guide 10. So now Java Guide 10 project is open. We want to add one form. Just right click, new JFrame form. Better we can give Guide FRM 10. Then finish. So I created one form called Guide FRM 10. We can follow the same thing here. Good. So first I want to set the title as simple interest calculator for this form. Click it here. I selected the form. Here title is there. Simple interest calculator. Okay. Then I need to create three labels, one for principal, one for rate, another one for time. So label I click, I just drag. So it should be principal. Better I can increase the font size so that it will be visible. Okay. In same way, I need to create another label for rate of interest. I change the text as rate. Change the font size as 18. Another one for time. Time in duration. It should be in years. Fine. So now, better I can increase the size. This is okay. Now I need to place three text field. One for principal amount, another one for rate of interest, third one for duration. So here we can change the text. We can remove the text. Alignment should be right alignment because we are going to enter numbers. Font size should be 18. In same way, another text field for rate of interest. Remove the text. Make alignment as right. Font size as 18. Place the third text field. Remove the text. Alignment should be right. Font size should be 18. Fine. So after that, you need to place two buttons. One for simple interest, that is J button one, another one for stop. So button. You can place the control here. So change the text as simple interest. And the font size as 18. Similarly, one more button. Change the text as stop. Font size as 18. This is not good. So one more label, one more text for simple interest. Yeah. Simple interest. So text field, that is J text field 4. Please make sure J text field 4 should be enable false, editable also false. Alignment should be right. Font size as usual 18, no problem. Please make sure this editable should be removed because you should not type. In addition to that, we have to change here enable. Fine. So let us make it as somewhat small. That's fine. First we'll run. Let us check. So I got it. Here you can type 1250.00, no problem. Rate you can type. Here also you can type. Whereas here you cannot type. Understand? Good. If I click this button, multiplication, the principal, rate, and time all needs to be multiplied, divide by under. The result should be displayed here. That we need to do. If you click stop, whole application should be closed. This is what our expected output. Now let us create a program. So first let us finish the simple one. Coding for stop. What is the coding for stop? Very simple. Check it here. System.exit of 0. Very simple. Okay, system.exit of 0. That is here. J button 2. Just I remove this front end. I type system.exit 0. Many times we studied to close the form. This is. So another one is what we need to do coding for J button 1. That is simple interest. This coding. Yeah. What coding? Already I explained. We need to declare 3 variables under double. One for principal, another one for rate, third one for interest. Semicolon. Then one more variable under int. That is for time. It may be duration or number of the year. Okay. Now we need to get the value from J text field 1. That value is string. That string value needs to convert into double. After that, the double value should be stored into principal. Principal equal to double dot parse double. Parse double. Now J text field 1 dot get text. Alright. So J text field 1 dot get text returns 1250.00. That will be converted into 1250.00. That will be stored into principal. In similar way, I copied, paste, rate. That is rate of interest. That should be 2. Okay. So content of J text field 2 needs to be written. In this case, we are giving 10.0. that needs to be converted into 10.0. The 10.0 will be stored into rate. Third one is time. Please make sure time we are giving number of the years as a whole number. Here I need to change integer because I need to convert string into int. So I need parse int. Parse int is available under integer class. Here text field of 3, text field of 1, text field of 2, text field of 3. Text field of 1 for principal, text field of 2 for rate, text field of 3 for interest. So all values I got. Now I need to write formula. Yes, interest equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time. Everything should be divided by 100. That means PNR divided by 100. So I found yes interest. Here one more problem. Yes interest stores one number, most probably 1250.0. That should be converted into string. Then only that new string can be assigned into text field of 4. So now text field 4 dot set text, because we want to assign, we want to display what value yes interest. But yes interest contains one number. That number should be converted into string. So double dot to string. Double dot to string. This double dot to string converts the number available in yes interest. In this example, yes interest as 1250.00. That will be converted into 1250.00. That string will be displayed into JText field 4. I hope everything is fine. Let us run the program. We will check. Here I am giving 2500.00. Rate of interest is 10.0. Number of the year is 5. So once I click simple interest, I got 1250.0. So it's fine. Okay, now it's working fine. So now I stop. Once I click the stop value, our application will be closed. Okay, today I stopped here itself. I hope all of you understand today's lesson. In next lesson, let us study something more. Until then, thank you students. Have a nice good day. Bye bye.